wash your hands.
Today we're making stuffed potatoes using our microwave. For that, you're going to need a potato, salt, pepper, cheese, like shredded cheese, cheddar cheese preferably, sour cream. You're also gonna need a bowl, all the silverware. You're gonna need a spoon, a knife, and a fork. And last but not least, you will need a plate. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is take our potato and wash it under the running water of the sink. Potatoes are grown in the ground, they have dirt on them. We need to wipe them off and wash them. Let's go. Now that my potato is clean, I put it back on my plate. I'm gonna take my fork and pierce the potato. Let's do it a couple times on each side. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my potato and put it in the microwave. My timer is going off, which means my food is done. So I'm gonna carefully take out this hot plate that has a potato on it. You can kind of pay attention. It's a little bit hot, but look if it is squishy, meaning that it's done, it's not hard anymore. We're gonna go on to our next steps. The next thing we're gonna do is use your knife, your butter knife, and cut your potato in half. It should cut pretty easily. That's how you know it's done. Okay. Then, using your spoon, you're going to scoop out a little bit of the middle of the potato and put it in your bowl. You will need to be careful because it is still a little bit hot. So I scoop this out. Scoop out the other half. You can see the steam, so you know it's pretty hot. Okay, now that I've scooped most of that out, I have kind of just a shell for my potato. You can see that. Okay. You're also going to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of cheese. You can sprinkle a little bit in, but if you want to be safe, you can measure. Get out my tablespoon. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm just going to sprinkle in a handful of cheese. So about this much cheese. Okay. And then you're just going to do a little shake of pepper and a quick shake of salt. And now you're going to mix it all together. I have to kind of squish your potato up a little bit too. I am going to scoop this mixture back into the potato. It's going to overflow a little bit because now there's more ingredients in it than just the potato. Okay. We are going to put this back in the microwave for 3 minutes. those look pretty good. This will be ready. You'll want to wait another 3 minutes just so it's cooled off a little bit. If there's any other toppings you like to put on your potatoes, you could put that on. Bacon, chili, anything like that. More sour cream. But otherwise, this is ready to go, ready to eat.
Wash your dishes.